we have k is equal to 3 to the p minus 3, where p is an integer greater than 1. N is equal to k squared minus 9. Show that 3 to the p plus 1 is a factor of n. Okay, so if we substitute k is equal to 3 to the power of p minus 3 into n k squared minus 9. So instead of k, we now replace it with 3p minus 3. We now have that n will be 3p minus 3 all squared minus 9. So we're faced with a problem that we don't really know, but the logical thing to do would be to expand this. So expanding 3p minus 3 squared means 3 to the power of p minus 3 times 3 to the power of p minus 3. We've still got to take 9 on the n. So that means 3p times this. So 3 to the power of p times 3 to the power of p minus 3. And then minus 3 times 3 to the power of p minus 3 minus 9. And then if we do 3 to the p times 3 to the p, we got a to the m times a to the n is equal to a to the m plus n. So that means we add together the powers of p. So we go 3 to the p plus p times minus 3 to the p, 3 to the power of p, minus 3 times 3 to the power of p, and then plus 9, minus 9. So the plus 9 and the minus 9 intuitively will cancel out. So we're going to leave that as 3 to the p plus p. Now 3 is 3 to the 1. And then using this, that means we add together the powers. We're going to get p plus 1. So minus 3 to the p plus 1. Similarly, we're going to get a similar thing here. Now we have minus two lots of this. So we'll rewrite this as 3 to the p plus p minus 2 times 3 to the p plus 1. And then we're going to get rather stuck. What do we actually do? Well, if we factorize out a 3 to the p plus 1, the reason for doing that is it says that show to the 3 to the p plus 1 is a factor. We are trying to show that 3 to the p plus 1 is a factor. What does that leave us here? Well, we're going to have 3 to 1 of the p, but because we've taken a plus 1 out, we need to take 1 here. Think back, if you multiply that by that, you're going to get 3 to the p plus 1 minus 1, which will give me 3 to the p plus p. And then this, obviously, we're just going to get minus 2 here. So we have shown that this is now a factor of this. And therefore, hence, 3 to the p plus 1 is a factor of n. So this has been a video to show you how to find a particular factor of an expression. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.